The first thing you're going to do is remove your roof and intrusion bars if your machine has it. We've already done so we're going to come up here and remove the factory brace. We're just going to sit this aside. Then we're going to take our brace that was provided in the kit and sit it up here on top of the studs. Grab the provided mount and clip nuts. And you're going to install the clip nut with the threaded portion facing down. Once you have it installed, we're going to go up here to the front of the machine and place the mount onto the studs. We'll do that for both sides. Then we're going to take our provided nuts in the kit. Go ahead and get them started on all 8 of the studs. We'll do this all the way around. Once you have them all started, you can go ahead and fully tighten the nuts. Then you're going to grab your provided gasket from the kit. We're going to start applying it down through here. We're going to start right back here at the back of the cage where it starts to slope down. Start it right here. You're going to want to run it all the way to this point right here. Then we're going to go ahead and cut it off. We're going to take another piece and put it just like this and run it all the way to this point here. Cut it off again. We're going to take a piece and run it right along through here. Then once you get to this point right here where the cage starts to slope down, go ahead and cut off the excess again. Then do the exact same thing for the opposite side. Then we're going to take 2 small pieces and put it on this flat portion of the frame right here, and this is going to be on the rear. Then we're going to take the provided spacers in the kit. We're going to place them right here on the cage of the machine. And we're going to do the exact same thing for the opposite side, and we're going to get our roof laid up on top of the machine. Then once everything's lined up, the spacers are in place, everything's fitting good, we're going to grab our M6 by 25mm screw, an M6 nut, and a sealing washer. We're going to make sure that the seal portion of the sealing washer is facing towards the machine. So you want to orient it like so. And you're just going to slide it through the roof, through the spacer, through the cage, and install the nut. And you'll do the same thing for the opposite side. Then you're going to grab your M6 by 25mm screws and your sealing washers. Thread the screw into the previously installed clip nut. Then once all your hardware is started, go ahead and fully tighten the front screws as well as the rear. Make sure your hardware is fully tightened, and that's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's aluminum roof on this Can-Am Maverick X3. For more information on this roof or any of SuperATV's great products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.